How do you derive out of nothing something? Well, that's impossible. That is, unless you change its state. I'd like to think that the way we perceive something can influence its state, and even change that. We know that to a certain degree, just observing can change the outcome of molecular movement through spacetime. I have an idea that popped in my head one day, and I figured, what the heck? So here it is. Imagine that the universe is finite and spherical. This, I believe, is a common image. Now imagine that it is completely empty. You're unable to retrieve anything from it at all. Why there would be two halves and why it would be spinning is a question of philosophy, so just bear with me. Waves emerged creating friction, possibly even heat, and then possibly light. When all the waves started to cancel and reverberate even further, the waves became even smaller and smaller, eventually until they reached a quantum level, which may have led to the creation of matter. When you think about it, all matter is energy, and all energy can be thought of as a wavelength. So the more it's condensed, it seems likely that that would become matter, just in my mind, but I don't have a PhD or anything. Now, as far as I am aware of, background radiation shows that there is a great deal of consistency throughout the universe, and its lengths being understandable. I'm also aware that beyond our own galaxy, there are galaxies that travel faster than the speed of light, which is impossible unless a black hole comes into play. So my question is, what if right now we are in a black hole but cannot feel its effects because it's supermassive? I don't know. I think of it as like being in a whirlpool. As we reach the center of the whirlpool, we become faster and faster, and things outside of it would be slower. The further away it is from the center, the less energy it has. So, in my mind, it would be like we're peering out into something,